Well, good morning, Go Live Together crew. Jeremy Boucher, as well as Hannah, the sweet baker. It's a lot going on in our kitchen. Ryan Parker Studios, our co-host, he has come up with what's the name of the dish?
Um, Lasagna.
Little cake.
Yes,
But we're also going to turn them into cupcakes.
yes. His channel is Jeremy Boucher, and that's where he's doing a Connect and Grow channel. So look for that.
The commercials are Thursdays and Sundays, and the show is at 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, CDT. So 1 p.m. every Sunday. It's called the Creator Cabin. What I do there is teach tech, teach y'all how to do all of this YouTube stuff and everything. But today, what we're really focused on is the food, is the cooking. We got Sweet Baker over here. She's making some cupcakes. I'm making the burrito lasagna, and baby is just going around helping out all around.
Yes.
So we're really, really busy in the kitchen, and enjoy yourselves.
Yes. And so we're using Ryan Parker's uh, ingredients, but he said we could add our own. So that's what we're doing. We're adding some onion. He didn't have onion in there, and I'm an onion person. Um, and what he did was infuse Mexican and Italian. So both of my favorite foods. So welcome to Cooking with Jeremy Boucher and Hannah,
Hannah,
the
the
sweet
sweet
baker.
baker.
This video will be loaded up on both channels, and maybe mine since I'm talking and walking um, around. And Jeremy don't want me to. My rollator is over there. They left it over there. So when you see me walking and I'm holding, I'm holding because I will fall.
Well,
And
hi. I'd
I
run the lower
almost
later.
fell a while ago going into the pantry.
Please do that. Thank
Please,
you.
please, okay, please and thank you. And so they gave it to me. Well, Hannah did, so I won't fall because Jeremy likes to come and catch me and say, "Get yourself somewhere and sit down."
Mhm.
But when I feel like I can walk, I'll walk and
Oh.
do what I do. Let me show y'all something. Hold up. So guess what? You know what these are? These are bug zappers that are going into the gazebo. Hannah has a tent and she's already set it up, decorated it and everything yesterday. And this is going in ours. And then we're getting a ceiling fan for our gazebo, pop-up gazebo. And oh wow, I shouldn't have been walking, huh?
You know what? I'm
Wait.
just tasting this cake and it's pretty good. It's done. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it.
Yeah,
Let me just.
because she didn't have her bakery location. She likes to lick the fork and taste it to make sure it tastes good.
I think I overflowed that one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Only
Yeah.
halfway, because they're going to plump up.
That one's going to be really good.
Yep.
That's gonna be
That
really.
that one's for you. Cause you've done so much for us.
Oh,
You've popped up the can for me, and I just think you
So I get a
deserve
big
it.
cupcake. Okay.
Yeah, you get the biggest one, and plus you're the tallest one and the biggest
why
one
don't
here.
you cut up some of your
Huh?
banana peppers? You got some banana peppers and some real
There's
peppers.
banana peppers.
Yeah.
Well, I
I'm
don't
gonna
want
taste
to
that stuff.
spoil the whole batch
Okay,
for
just
y'all. I mean, I
okay.
can put some pepperoncinis in there, but that's about it.
Banana peppers.
Yeah.
They're in a
Jar.
jar somewhere down there. I don't know where. Might be on the door, but they're in there.
I know the jalapenos are, but I'm not going to do that.
I missed this part, so I'm just stirring it up a little bit. That's how
And
you do baking. You stir it up.
Pepperoncini, Italian season.
Anything that
yeah,
That's what that is. Boom.
I'm just gonna lick the sides. I mean, it's tasty.
Mm.
This is what Sonny and other people used to do.
Wait. And Shani, y'all know that's her older sister, my daughter. And Araya and Shani have taught her that it's okay. Have taught her when you're making a strawberry cake or well any cake, you lick the batter. She just didn't come up with that. It was her older sister and her niece, Araya. So therefore, that's what she's doing.
Stop, batter. Stop.
And we're gonna have burrito lasagna. And so everybody thought that that song was so catchy that Ryan did. Guess what? He put the link in there to his Suno so people could go over there and listen to it. But you guys, everybody that's on the morning show, Go Live Together, they are so talented.
I kind of need to put this in.
They got talent, and I mean talent.
What's the time?
It's unbelievably how talented everybody is. You know, you have people that are tech savvy. You have people that
I have to make it in a batch though.
Or entertaining. Okay. You have people that have wonderful partners. You know, like Mel and James, and I am a partner too to Jeremy.
Don't set the timer yet. I still
Can
have
you
another
imagine? Can you? I know you big crazy. Can you imagine? I just want to thank everybody for coming in to Go Live Together, and just thank you for everything that you do. You make me want to get up, even on my bad days. You make me want to get up and be on camera with you. You bring me life for 1 solid hour. I have life in me. Now I do need help getting.
I can make something small.
I like just before we came on, I almost fell in the pantry.
We still have batter left, and I have to make something small.
Need a bigger one, I think maybe.
It's just that I actually made.
Oh, you showing them what you're doing?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now we put some extra stuff in it. What do we put in it?
Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onion.
Oh, it's gonna be good.
Mm-hmm.
Ryan, thank you for giving us a twist on Taco Tuesday. Oh, smell it. It smells so good.
Yeah, it does. Looks pretty good too.
It does.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got the salsa. See you, sweetums.
Okay.
She puts it in the oven and has the workers get it out.
Yeah, she does. She left.
She
Okay,
left.
so you want the parchment paper up underneath all this, right?
So it won't be hard to clean.
All right, so we're gonna put this parchment paper down, and then put the first layer.
Yes.
Of tortillas. We got street taco tortillas, so I'm thinking about down here how to fill up the whole space.
You're gonna overlay.
Yes. So what we're gonna do is take 3 of them.
I'm getting these things out of here because they go in the. Oh, they gotta be. What is it?
Plugged in.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got my first layer of tortillas down. Oh, and also we're leaving off the beans too. The refried beans. I know that would be good in there. We're just not using them.
And the reason being is because I'm a critical kidney failure, and I can't do a lot of protein. So that's where we're at with protein. I can only have some. I pick and choose the protein that I can have. and I'm having beef,
Beef.
which is protein. My kidneys can't process.
It's kind of like an enchilada casserole too. I think that's why you're really wanting to try it, because it has all of the enchilada ingredients except for the enchilada gravy, in which we have replaced with taco seasoning. So that's the big difference here. It would have been an enchilada casserole, but it's a burrito lasagna.
Burrito lasagna. Thank you, Ryan.
Yes.
And we'll be right back because once it gets finished, because what he's going to do is layer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah, once the meat and everything, we'll be right back to the video, and then I'm going to show you how to layer it next.
Yes. Okay, so what we're doing now is layering, layering, the burrito lasagna. I think he just made that name up. Wait. Open up the cheese. Here, you come do it. You gotta open it up. I do a layer, you do a layer.
Mm-hmm.
How about that?
Sounds great.
Oh God, this is gonna be so fantastic. Okay. Whoa. I'm a fall risk, you guys. When I go to the hospital, the first thing they do is put the fall risk band on me. It followed me from Galveston. But I think God has a purpose for me. Because he hasn't said, Sheryl, this is it. Sheryl, this is it. You know, so here we sit, you know. And Jeremy is going to do, you see what he's doing? He's layering it, you know. It's like you would a lasagna. It's like, it's good for taco Tuesday, as well as Italian for day of the week. Do you know? What day of the week? Italian what?
I don't know. I don't know what Italian day of the week is. Let us know in the comments section. That's all I can say. I don't know what day is dedicated to Italian. We are from South Texas, or at least I am. Down there is nothing but the Mexican food. You know, it's just that we love it, and this is what we do. You know, layer and have it all different ways, and you know, you can use it on a tortilla or you can use it anywhere.
Right.
I'm not going to put a top layer of tortilla on here because we had to triple up all of the layers, but I am going to be extra generous with this cheese.
Oh,
that
God,
way,
yes.
by the time it melts down, it'll be ready to eat. And we're going to bring it right back here.
A little bit more
as soon as it's done.
cheese.
More cheese. Let's see. Y'all see how full this bag was, right? We're getting more in here. It's going to be a cheesy explosion. Boom. There we have it. And now it can go in the oven.
Right.
Put the lid on and let it cook
Till it gets brown.
That's right.
Melt the cheese brown, just melted cheese.
Yeah. Melt the cheese and it's done. We already got the oven on because we're making a cake at the same time. So it's at 350 degrees and we'll let you see the result whenever it's finished.